Hello guys, are we live once again? Uh, let's see. Let me just check if we are live or not. I think we're live.
I think they like.
Yeah, it's live and I can see it. It's working perfectly fine, so you can hear my audio and all. So tomorrow is NFP. I want you guys to stay very much careful during the NFP. Okay, I'm going to tell you what all things you have to be careful of. First of all is your RR, which is risk to reward. That is to be really good if you are planning a trade. Then again, uh, medium stop loss, because you cannot keep a very small stop loss because the spreads widen and you cannot just keep a small stop loss. Okay, so medium SL, not big SL. And then please risk only 0.5% of your account. Fine. And also, if you can, or if your strategy says that follow the trend or counter trend, whatever the strategy says, follow that. Okay, do not follow unnecessary things, follow only what your strategy says. So follow all strat rules. Fine. So these are the rules which you should follow during NFP, because it's going to be a very volatile news and I want you guys to stay safe in that news. Okay, so first of all, I'm gonna remove all these things for the thing. This we're going to remove, this we're going to remove, this we're going to remove, this we're going to keep this only. And if possible, please try to trade order flow. Order flow is 100% better. See, I mapped out. If you see over here, let the airplane go. So you can see I have mapped out order block over here. You can check that order block out. It is a pivot candle. Then now here, what is the thing? If we drop down to the lower time frame, what can you see over here? Zoom into this and let's see. A little bit like that. How can I increase the size for this? Let me just check. Size is small. Let's do it for normal. Oh no, now that's gone. Oh, fine, fine, fine. Got it back. So see over here. Now this is first of all here. Here, okay. So first check the how much buying or selling is over here. Do not check the delta. Check how many sellers are there. Lower one is the sellers. Middle one. Check how many sellers are there first of all. 741. Next candle is you have 1071 sellers selling orders. The next one has 532. Fine. And you can see consistent selling is there. A little bit up and down is there. And then the final thing you need to know, before that, you can see the buyers are also decreasing. That can also be one more confirmation that okay, buyers are decreasing, so you need to open your eyes and see. Okay, so here you can see more selling is there, here buying is decreasing. Here maybe a little bit buying came, I know, this place, but when you see this from here, you can see consistent selling pressure is coming from it. Decrease to this, and then you can check even the delta. If you check, sellers are more. See, first 700 these many orders, and these many orders, 1000 something, then 500 orders, then again here if you see 1000 and something orders. So after this consistency, you can see after 3 or 4 consistent selling orders, I can enter for sell right here, exactly on this candle. After this candle, this candle came, so here, and that's how you're gonna trade order flow. Right, so that's how you're gonna see how many selling orders are there. But now see, most of them, how many like have more selling. See from here, let's start counting from here. Okay, let me take this out from here. Here there are sellers. Okay, fine, we will take from here only then. These are selling 7,000 something here. Okay, selling is starting from here, so we'll check mark this. Okay, then here also let's check mark this. Okay, okay, fine, we'll do something for this. So first of all, this selling starts from here. Okay, selling is consistent over here. Here a little bit like slow it has gotten, so we'll cross that out. Here there is more selling. Which is more? Selling are more. So therefore, you will get selling as your official result. And that's how you're gonna do it. And I hope you understand my point. Now again, if you see, price is coming back to the zone. Now it has tapped the zone over here. See, there are five. Now you can check the order book also. There are so many limit orders for sell. Look at that. These are all limit orders. Look at those. 4255. Somewhere here they have set 4255. What? Here they have said. No, no, here. 259. Here somewhere they have set a limit order. Someone in the world we don't know. So first selling indication is from here. Look at this. So we'll count this. Okay, normal. Now we need to wait that there are more sellers over, or maybe consistent selling shall be there. Or you should probably wait till you see consistent, yeah, of course, consistent selling, and then you can see over here. So there is 700. How many selling? Okay, 831 increased from this, and there is less buying. Look at that. Check the delta also. Delta is also important, I guess. Here also, if you check delta is very much important. From here, if you look delta, 300, then minus 400, then 400, and then minus. So this is delta is also very important. Check the delta. So here there is selling. I can easily see the pressure, and here also. So a selling trade can be planned from over here. I will not suggest you guys to take it, but I'm gonna try to take this. Okay, I'm gonna try. You guys shouldn't try this. Right now, I'm just trying on my other account. Even if we lose this, I don't care with this account. And so I'll try selling here. Let's see what is the order block zone. I will keep probably here somewhere. So that managed to do is there. Let's see, is the selling consistent selling over here as well? Yes, consistent selling is there. This is the perfect A plus kind of a setup selling for selling, but this buying is kind of scaring me a little bit. But I think I'm gonna trust my setup. Problem is our setup has formed down here. You look at this. This is a setup which has formed just here in the selling. Oh, sorry, buying area, and we have to buy from here. So this TP shall only be here. Let's see what happens to this trade. I don't care even if we hit SL on this. Here also, let's see if we get consistent selling or not. Minus a little bit of buying over here, which is a little concerning. But more are sell only, so you can check that. So you need to take it from the half of the order block. Suppose here you can take then. We're getting a bit of selling, I know. See another setup which has formed for us. This setup we will take. Okay, from here buying we will take. This setup is which we are going to take, and then let's see which liquidity this maps out. Then till there we will be taking the buying. So we'll have to wait for that to happen. Till now selling is going on. Good, that is good. Let's see the delta and all. Now let's check this. This is also showing consistent selling over here. Here a little bit buying, but I think official it is that there is more selling. There is more consistent selling. So prices at least I think gonna come till here, and then you can put your limit orders over here maybe. Okay, you can put your limit orders here. First of all, let me check my checklist. Okay, for the other setup. This setup I have taken, but I do not suggest you guys. Okay, because this setup was a little bit risky. I am trying out the strategy. I am not just doing it. Okay, it's my first or second time probably. Umar Punjabi is live at this time. How? He's live early. So let's check. Do we have a valid MMS, market structure shift, MSS? What do you call it? Here also selling. Consistent selling pressure is there. A big move to the downside can come. I'm not saying it will come, but it can come. Here right now, buying is coming. I could see consistent selling over there. This is my first time trying out this strategy, so do not judge me for this. This order flow first or second time I'm trying it out. This is reacting from this zone. Let's hope it goes down so that we can get an entry as well, and we can get the other thing as well. Okay, let's check this. Let's just let it go and all. So this is going to be our valid MMS, that MSS tick two or three times the previous candle with FBG check mark. Then retracement to OB that we have to wait for. And I have written no FOMO in my checklist, so we don't have to show any FOMO. Otherwise, this also becomes invalid. Here there is buying, or no? Let's check. Oh yeah, there is huge buying over here. Huge, huge, huge buying. But I am thinking it might still go down. This is buying, so we will not map this out. This shows selling. Still, there is selling in the market. Not by a lot, but uh, there is, and we will wait for it. Greatest comeback coming. My money is on the line. That's why I'm putting this on. And I also put it for you guys always. And you also put on your charts. Then we'll get TP. This is one of the things that we like to do on a live. I mean, people must think that what are we doing? People actually must be thinking that we are actually mad. We are not traders, we are mad people. People must think that. By the way, I'll check my live also, chat. Otherwise, people say don't check the chat. We'll check the chat. Showing buying, I don't know why it is still buying, but see, there is consistent selling also if you check this out. That is what is the thing. It's a confusing trade this one now, but that would have been an A plus. I'm telling you, this would have been an A plus setup. But always remember, guys, with this you have to aim till the next order block, or where the next change of character took place, or whatever, or till the next liquidity. What do you guys think? Okay, selling is coming. Big move. Big move. See, I am confused here. See, we have to aim till the next that POI. So next POI is this only. So next POI we have to aim till. So this POI we will be aiming for this POI. Or shall we aim for the liquidity? Because I think the next POI, because this kind of a setup will form and price can go up. And this is our setup, I remember. So this might be like this. It's doing like that, and then a little bit like that, and then it might come here. From here, it might bounce off. So that is the thing that I am aiming for personally over here. That till the next order block, I think we have to aim for. Let me check it with ChatGPT also. I'll check on my phone or tablet. Okay. I'll do word to word like speech. Okay. And I think TP it will give us. Yeah, it's gonna give us TP. Be ready with your things over here. Okay. Ready with your yeah, for your buying setups. Be ready here. Put a limit here, I guess. Or from here, if you want to buy, you can start buying also. Totally depends on you guys. Thing. TP is done. TP is done. Yeah. TP is it for me. Now here you can buy. I'm buying from here. Buying from here. I'll sell over here and TP will stay your buy side. See, you can take help with this also. Even though our setup has formed here, but still you can take help for this. From this, not for this. There is buying over here. There is buying over here as well. Look at that. I think there are more buying orders over here. Right? Yeah, here also you can see. Buying orders are more in that number and all, right? Let's hope for the best because this is with you also. Let's just remove this, otherwise this is going to get the power, and you guys just know what can happen. So we'll just put an airplane here so that airplane mode can come. Oh shit. Let's go up. Gold, let's go up. Let's do a full recovery. Here also we got buying. At the end we got a huge buying, I think, here in the order. Buying orders we got a lot. Yes, we got. No, 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 no. It's showing signs of selling. No, 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 no. Let's go up gold, not down. Let's go up. Too much of selling. You want to take out, you can. It's still almost near break even. If you want to, you can take out. I am not taking out. I'm gonna hold. Either it's gonna give us SL, either it's gonna then give us TP. We're gonna wait for and hope for the best. Buying is coming good. That is good. If you want this kind of a candle, it will be really nice candle. This then we can mark as a buying candle. Let's just hope that it stays like that. It's kind of like a good candle. Buying is there. This kind of a candle is good. If this kind of a candle is forming, it's good. Let's hope it stays like that. Always, guys, while trading, I have a lot of pressure. I'm going to talk openly about it. I'm not going to hide it like other YouTubers. They say that we don't have trading. Yeah, everybody has it. It's true. It's just that I also have to improve my psychology because it's still, you guys can feel it. I know, still not that good, but we're gonna improve it. We're gonna improve it, guys. 100%. I'm gonna improve it. It takes time. My entry is somewhat here. 5864. 58. No, 64 it is. Yeah, it's 64. How is it so up? Here my entries. How? Guys, it is something that I have noticed. Putting a timer or something onto gold is always very much bad luck. I don't know. So much of selling. No, either this is a good sign or a bad sign. If it is clustering, it means that it is going to either give us a very good bullish move or it's going to give us SL. That we don't know now. There are so many selling orders being placed. But this was good. This one also was pretty. This one also still buying came, and it came by a lot. I can see over here also. But delta is I know towards the selling side, but it's still buying came over here. This kind of a candle if comes still here, then it's good. Then if it exits over here, then this is good candle. Let's hope for the best. Sell side is resting over here. Selling is coming. I think SL is done. I think SL is done. Everybody. Fuck. Fuck, guys. We did not do even anything wrong. It is from the checklist. Retracement to OB and no FOMO. I did that. Still our setup failed. Fuck, man. Fuck. This is a losing streak which I'm getting since yesterday. I don't know what it is, but I'm getting since yesterday. Let's check a different chart as well. Sometimes it is that gold shows something wrong on the different chart and something wrong on the other chart. But it is absolutely correct. Come on, guys. Why did this not work now? I mean, I made profits over here, but there's something wrong with this. First price gave us 700 buying, this selling, this buying, this selling. Here the selling came, but buying came. Come on, guys. Why did this not work now? Fuck. Fuck it, guys. Fuck it. Now it is flying like crazy. Come on, guys. Either it does not work on 1 minute, either that is the problem. Because earlier I used to trade on 5 minute, it used to work. right? Or either it is a problem with the strategy, which I don't feel. Let's see now. We'll create the 5 minutes. Let's check on chat GPT again. Fuck man. Fine, I made this, but you guys do not make any money. Instead, lost. But I think you must have lost less than that because we made money on that day. Now you must be at still in profit, I think. Yeah, still in profit, I think. Don't worry, guys. We'll try to do a profit today only. Otherwise, tomorrow we are going to come back stronger. Actually, fuck, guys. It's just a fuck, actually. Here you go. Let's just copy this. Middle right. Where is that middle right? And I'll just come at some work. Okay. I'll just come in a minute. Guys, I'm back. Okay. So let's see. Okay, let's see what mistake we had done. Let's compare it with the other ones. So I have a few more which like would have been taken. No, not this one. Another one was there. I forgot where it is now. Look at this setup. Look at this. See, let's backtest this and let's see the result. How come this setup worked? There is a difference between that and that. It is something that I have just noticed. Let me check it once again if I'm like I am right or not. We will compare and we'll tell what is the difference. Let us check. Now what shall we do here is, last significance low or high. See here price is taking a pause in between, and here where we took a trade, it just valid to the upside. wait a second, guys. Please bear with me, guys. I'm already waiting for a trade. I'm just seeing what is the problem in this trade because there is nothing. Okay, I'll check that, guys, because there is some kind of a problem over here, and I don't know what that is. I think I noticed the problem. What do we call it? I forgot their name. Fuck. Yeah, I think I found it. Our pullback is not correct, I think. Yep, our pullback is not even valid. Now, check over here. What is the thing? Green candle, it closes below that. The red candle. It sweeps that, goes down. This fucking lead led me to a loss. Uh, uh, this one you will say, okay, this I think might be some problem in this trade. I don't know. But okay, let's just ignore that trade first of all. This thing now, this also did not work. Why? That exact same thing here. Then let's take an example of another trade over here somewhere. This also, I don't know how it worked. No, it is not a correct pullback. Clearly, that is not. This might work. This will work. Okay, did not. I'll tell you why the exact reason. Here, the conditions did not qualify. Okay, so here the condition did not qualify. That is it. Otherwise, that would have worked also. So let's take the 5 minutes. I think 5 minutes is confirmation is correct. Look at that. Breaking the previous candle like that. Now the confirmation is correct. Now it's gonna show us good. Wait a minute, guys. Just a minute. Okay, guys, I have entered. Let's see. This might give us TP. Might also give SL. Such a strong candle of selling. I don't know how. How such a strong selling came? How? If this goes SL, we are done for the day. Okay. I'm hoping this trade goes good so that we are at least in profit for today. But if this goes SL, then we are done for the day, and then tomorrow we'll see if we get an FP and all that. That is a later story. SL is done. Once again, how is this going SL, SL, SL? Back to back, I'm getting SL. Fucking that sweep was also good. This was also fucking good. Just what the hell is going on here? What the actual fucking hell is going on, guys? Okay then, guys, I'm not gonna uh, like take any more time of you guys. I'm gonna just end the live stream right there. Okay, and I'll see. I don't know, guys. What the fuck is going wrong here? I don't know. Again, sometimes there's a problem in the chart. Let's check that out. Sometimes there is, but I don't think so. There is a problem because it's still working correctly. Okay, then, guys, we're gonna end our day in negative only. Then I'll just come in the next tomorrow. If Tomorrow also negative. I'm not gonna come live for the next whole week, or I'm not gonna trade for the next whole week. That is my rule. If I go three in a row, 3 days in a row, if I go SL, I'm not gonna come live or not gonna trade for a week. Okay, then I'll see you guys in the next one. Hopefully the next week. Sorry, tomorrow, and then hopefully the next week as well. Hopefully. Goodbye, guys.